Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change video resolution on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and here we're gonna go and quickly change to video instead of photo because you can do that basically in the app. You can also do it on a GoPro, but we're gonna get to it. So here we're gonna switch to video. As you guys can see, my video is set at 8K 60 FPS, so we can click on the pen icon, and here we can change the resolution, for example, to 4K, and it automatically applies to our GoPro. Now the frame rate, let's go for 24 cinematic. And now if we want to change it on our GoPro, we can do that by swiping. Let me quickly just hold it. We're gonna swipe here and go to manage modes, and we're gonna select video. We're gonna click edit settings, and here we can change the resolution back to 8K, but instead of giving it 60 FPS, we're gonna give it 30. Now once we click on the 30 finally, we can leave those options here, and now as you guys can see, it is 8K and 30 FPS. So it also applied in the app. That's basically how it works. And that's how you guys can change the video resolution. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.